Welcome to Asymmetric. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to generate a key pair for asymmetric encryption, sign data, and verify that signature using the cryptography library in Python. So we are going to import required libraries. So now we are going to type from. So here we imported necessary component from the cryptography library. Next, we are going to generate a key pair. Key generation of private key is generated using RSA with public exponent set to some value, which is 65537, common choice for the public exponent in RSA. Then we set a key size to 2048. The size of the key, 2048 bits, is a standard size for security. And and now public key will be derived from the private key. Next, we are going to sign some data. A data to sign is a byte string data is created, and then we have the signing. The private key signs the data. So let's see. Padding PSS probabilistic signature scheme is used for padding, which adds randomness and enhances security. And MGF uh, and padding.mgf1 hashes .sha256 mask generation function using SHA-256 and a salt length padding.pss.max length. The salt length is set to the maximum possible, and the hash is 256 is used to hash the data before signing. So the result is a digital signature. Next, we are going to verify the signature. We're going to import few more libraries. So this will be from cryptography. So we imported padding also, and now we are going to import hashes. Next, we are going to verify the signature. For the verification, the public key is used to verify the signature. It checks if the signature corresponds to the data and the public key. The same padding and hashing method used for signing must be used for verification. And we are going to add try accept block. If the signature is valid, it will print a signature is valid. If not, it catches the exception and prints an error message. So let's write code. Now we can run our code. This is extra 3 here. So when we run our code, we get the message signature is valid. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.